To access the UV bulb, you'll need a pair of needle nose pliers, a regular and long shaft Phillips screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Begin by opening the filter access door to remove the filter. Next, using the long shaft screwdriver, remove the 3 screws holding the fixed door panel in place. Remove the fixed door panel by pulling out slightly on the left side, then sliding to the right. Locate the 2 points where the honeycomb cover is secured. To remove the cover, first lay the Guardian Air on its back. Then, while holding the nut with the needle nose pliers, loosen and remove the first cover screw. Repeat for the second cover screw. With both screws removed, lift and position the honeycomb cover out of the way as shown. Remove the old UV bulb by grasping it and sliding it from the ballast. Next, install the replacement bulb using the soft cloth. Position the cover back over the bulb and ballast. Tighten both screws and secure the cover in place. Stand the unit upright. Align the fixed door slots with the large washers on the unit. Rotate the door and then slide it to the left under the washers as shown. Secure the door in place with the 3 screws removed earlier. Place the filter back inside and close the door. The UV bulb replacement is now complete.